If you're vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, please back up. This is not for you. But if you're a meat lover, step forward. Today I bring you a dish from the southwestern part of Nigeria. It's common among the Yoruba people. It's called Asun, which means smoked or roasted. So our ingredient lineup for the day, we have goat meat or Milton, whatever you call it. We have onions, salt, bouillon powder, habanero peppers, and oil. Follow me. Let's make cooking easy again. So the first thing we have to do is turn our oven all the way to broil. So the first thing we're going to do is season our goat meat with some oil and salt. So go like this. Let's pop this into the broiler. So our goat meat has been cooking for a while now. Behind the cameras, I flipped it around to roast the other side. So time for us to bring it out and complete the rest of the process. Our meat is cooked and ready to go. So the next step is to dice it into bite size. So I'm gonna go one little. One cut at a time. So it's been about 10 minutes. It's been steaming. Also, right about now, our goat meat is ready. I like to do a little extra. Since I didn't grill it and I need that smoky flavor, I'm gonna add the little liquid smoke to my goat meat. Give it a little stir. And it's done. So our goat meat, Asun, it's finally ready. So we're about to eat right now. I'll be pairing mine with some lager beer. Let me know in the comment section. What would you be pairing yours with? Palm wine, lager beer, soda, or just Asun on its own? Till I see you in the next episode, don't forget to like, share, and follow my page for no reason. Have a blessed day.